Hey Sweet Heat fam, today I'm making a lump crab and shrimp burger with aioli sauce. Stay tuned. These are most of the ingredients I use to make this seafood burger. I usually shop at Publix, but this time I bought the crab meat and shrimp from Kroger. I usually find shells in the crab meat from Publix, but I didn't find any in this brand at Kroger. Always make sure you clean your vegetables or fruit when you buy it because there's a lot of bacteria or dirt on it that you don't see, and you'll notice all the dirt floating at the bottom. I use vinegar and water for the vegetables, and I use lemon juice and water for the shrimp. This is the time to cut up your vegetables. I'm using bell peppers, and I'm just going to cut it up really small. I got 3/4 of a pound of shrimp with the shell because it's a little cheaper that way, but you can buy it already peeled to save some time. So after you clean and peel the shrimp, it's important to devein your shrimp because y'all don't want to eat the shrimp's whole intestinal tract. Just look at what's coming out the shrimp. Like, do you want to eat that? That looks nasty. But I wanted to show y'all up close to show you what comes out and to show you how I devein it. All you have to do is cut a slit down the middle and pull it out. Next, I'm going to chop them up, but not too small because I want to make sure there's some texture in the seafood burger. I want to see the shrimp and the crab meat. Now we're going to mix everything together. We're going to start with some uncooked shrimp, crab meat, the vegetables, chopped up fresh parsley, 2 beaten eggs, and then the seasonings. I'm using Cajun's Choice Blackened seasoning, and then I'm going to mix in some Cajun seasoning. I use half a pack of the Goya seasoning packet, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of spicy brown mustard. I'm using 3 tablespoons of Duke's mayonnaise. Try not to use Miracle Whip because that'll make your seafood burger a little sweeter. And then for the minced garlic, I didn't measure, but it's about like a tablespoon or so. And then some Worcestershire sauce. Don't laugh if I got that wrong. So the last video, I told you all that I won't steer you wrong with the seasonings I use for the stuffed salmon. But this, even better. Y'all definitely gotta try this recipe. With the 8-ounce tub of lump crab and the shrimp that I used, I was able to make about 5 nice sized patties. And when you're finished making your patties, you just want to cover them with saran wrap and put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to an hour so they can firm up a little bit before you cook it. So for the aioli sauce, I didn't really want to put this clip in here because I didn't measure anything, but I'll still show you what I use. Just tweak it to your liking. I added a little bit too much lemon juice, so you'll see me adding ingredients as I go to balance it out. Start off with some olive oil on medium to low heat. You don't want to cook the patties too fast because you want to make sure it's cooking all the way through. And while it's cooking, I like to press down on it a little bit to make sure it's cooking evenly. And towards the end, you'll see me put a lid on it because I want to make sure that it's done and cooked all the way through. This by far was my favorite. It had the perfect amount of seasoning, and I topped it off with spinach, avocado, jalapenos, and the aioli sauce. If you don't like avocados, at least put the jalapenos on it. It was super good. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and leave some comments for me. I want to see how this recipe turned out for you.